Velasco Nature Park Resort. O, swimming na kayo doon, dali. Huwag tumatakbo, Abi. O, ayan, natingin, o. Hello. O, we are in Velasco Nature Park Resort. O, ayan, natingin, anak, o. Hello. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, ang ganda-ganda dito. Kayo lang ang tao sa pool. This is a nature park. We'll go up there later in the afternoon. And this is their pool. So it's a newly nature park resort here in San Gregorio, Rizal, Nueva, Ecija. The entrance fee here is only 50 pesos because they are in promo. But after the promo, by next week, if you will use the pool, the amount to be paid is 50 pesos. Now, if you go to the park, additional of 50, so it's 100. But if you will not go swimming, you will just pay 50 pesos only for the park. Or if you will not travel in their park or visit the park, you just pay 50 pesos. So the view here is very scenic too, and there are a lot of trees. That's why it's not that sunny. Well, it's sunny, but the canopy of tree helps to prevent too much sun for the swimmers. Okay. So this is their pool.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you. close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real.
So after the swimming,
Summer days that drift
we are
away.
in the park of Velasco Nature Park. So the scene here is very scenic. So we have a trail. I'm going up to reach the main viewpoint of this park. So you see the background here, the blue. This park again. This is my favorite. So I often go to this kind of places, and this is only in San Gregorio, Rizal and Ecija. It's a nearby forest park in my house, which is there in the main center. Okay. So, hello Abby, how are you there? This is the hammock. So there is a resting place here. If you're tired climbing up to this hill, well, you can rest to this kind of table chairs, and then there is a resting place here. You see? Wow, it's really awesome here. So we're gonna climb up to that portion, that hilltop, and later maybe we will spend an hour here or 30 minutes. I don't think so. So I still enjoy the view. Okay, see you guys later. Okay. Hi Abby, hi Rain. So we are still here in Velasco Nature Park. Are you enjoying the hammock here? So we need to rest first because it's so tiring to climb up to that hill. Oh, so it's really a nice place here. You can see the view here. It's very awesome. It's a mountainous park, and the owner of this park, he owns or they owned, I think this is 21-hectare mountain lot. So it's a forest mountain farm as well. They build this as a resort, a forest nature resort with a swimming pool that is just newly constructed this past 2 months. And you see the view here is very awesome. Okay, shall we go up now to climb the hill? Let's see the marker there. Okay, hi Abby. Hi Abby, hi Rain. Enjoy. Love you.
I think I need a little time, babe, to heal from your mistakes before you ask me if I'm okay.
Okay, let's go. Just right here on the top of the mountain now. So, following this trail, going to the next level of the park, which we can see the I Love Rizal marker. And there are different chairs that you can rest here in the park. And there are also lights. These are solar lights. Visitors can visit maybe in but I don't think so because you see the seriously. Wonderful here. So much. I'm going to rest again here on this chair, but here the ridges. Okay. The time is just almost 5 o'clock now, and we are still here to this mountain view resort here in Velasco Nature Park. Okay, see you again. You go to the next level of the
Wish that we
mountain.
never
See you.
met in January when you still loved her. Now every New Year gets blurry. We're back here strangers. Even when we're broken too, I'll admit it that I miss you. Even when we're broken too, I'll admit it that I miss you. Spend my night staring